Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your color palette on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to do a swipe up and tap on settings, then you want to scroll down to where you have wallpaper and style. Tap on that. Now if you scroll on a bit, you will have the option that says color palette, right? Now if you tap on that, that gives you the option to change the different color palette on your phone, so you can go through different color preset, let's say, and you will see how they will look here from the preview. Now as you can see, the color palette is currently disabled, so you need to turn this on. So you just need to toggle it on and you will have the different options here. So below you have the wallpaper colors and you also have the basic colors, right? So for example, on the wallpaper colors, you can tap between different ones and you will see from the preview how that color actually looks, right? And you can find something that looks really nice with your phone. You can go to the basic one, and the basic is just like a single color for the moment. So the first option here is just single color, so you can tap on that and you can see how each single color will look with your phone, and if you like any of them. If you go across, you get like a double color as well. So if you check these, you can see that you have like double colors here that you can choose, like a combination, right? Now once you find something that you like, let's say I like this bright one here, I just need to click on apply and it will be applied to my phone. So from now on, I will be able to have this color scheme here with my phone. And if I minimize my phone here, if I open up, for example, my calculator, whatever it is, you will realize that it looks like that. So if I open my calculator, you can see whenever I punch these numbers, it basically gives that color as well. So you will see this based on the various applications that you open and the buttons and so forth. You will see the color palette basically showing those colors, so you will be able to identify how it looks once you really start using your phone more. But that's how you easily go ahead and enable or turn on and change color palettes on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and hit that subscribe button if you see the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, and see you next time, guys.